The greatest mystery of all time. I can feel it. I'm right on the edge. I'm... the hell? Is someone there?
Oh, it's just me, dear.
Honey? Is that you? Oh, thank God. Help me out of these ropes.
Oh, why would I do that? I've got you right where I want you.
Oh, wait. You did this to me? Why? And why do you have that knife?
Oh, I think you know why I did this.
Honey, come on. Where'd you get those? It's not what it looks like. She's my cousin. Fine. I'm sleeping with her. But what are you gonna do about it? You don't have the guts to use that knife. You know you love me. You bitch.